Hey everyone, Ben here from Ben Daily Tips. If File Explorer on Windows 11 feels slow, here are 7 simple fixes you can try. Let's get started. First, press Ctrl, Shift and Escape to open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer, right-click it and select Restart. Your taskbar might disappear for a second, that's normal. Now open File Explorer again and see if it feels faster. Next, if a specific folder like Downloads takes a long time to open, try this. Right-click the folder and select Properties. Go to the Customize tab. Under Optimize this folder for, choose General Items. You can also apply this setting to all subfolders. Click Apply, then OK, and open the folder again. For the next fix, open File Explorer, click the three-dot menu and select Options. Under Privacy, click Clear next to File Explorer History, then click Apply and OK. Now let's clear the thumbnail cache. Open the Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup. Select your Windows drive, which is usually the C drive. Once the scan finishes, check Thumbnails, click OK, and select Delete Files. Don't worry, Windows will automatically rebuild the thumbnail cache when it needs to. If File Explorer is mainly slow when searching for files, try rebuilding the Windows search index. Open the Start menu and search for indexing options. Open it, click Advanced, and under Troubleshooting, select Rebuild. Confirm the message and let Windows rebuild the index. This can take some time if you have a lot of files. Now, if this PC takes a long time to open, an unavailable network drive could be causing the problem. Open this PC and look for network drives you no longer use. Right-click any disconnected drive and select Disconnect. You should also check Home for old quick access shortcuts. If a shortcut points to a disconnected drive or an unavailable folder, right-click it and select Unpin from Quick Access. And finally, if File Explorer is still slow, we can check Windows for corrupted system files. Right-click the Start button and open Terminal as administrator. We're going to run 2 commands. I'll put both commands in the video description so you can easily copy and paste them. Run the first command and wait for it to finish. Once it reaches 100%, run the second command. Let that scan finish too. Then close Terminal, restart your PC and test File Explorer again. And that's it. Those are 7 ways to fix a slow File Explorer on Windows 11. If one of these worked for you, let me know which one in the comments. For more simple Windows fixes and PC tips, subscribe to Ben Daily Tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.